If you can't use your WhatsApp account due to spam, here are some steps you can try to counter the problem. First step, open your email or Gmail account which you used or which is connected to your WhatsApp and check if there are any emails from WhatsApp regarding your problem. If there is no email, proceed to the next step by opening settings on your phone. Here, just look for General, then press iPhone Storage and look for the WhatsApp icon. This might be located at the bottom part, so just scroll down until you see the application. Once you've located WhatsApp, which has the green telephone icon, just press this and press Offload App. Once offloading is done, just click Reinstall App and wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. This will free up storage used by the app and might also fix the spam issue you've encountered. Once you're done doing this, you might also want to check if your phone is connected to a reliable internet connection. Just press back and look for Wi-Fi, and you can try connecting to other Wi-Fi or other internet connections. After this step, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Once logged in, press the settings icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, look for chats. Just go to chat backup and make sure that all of your chats are being backed up. You can also check other options such as auto backup, include videos, and end-to-end encrypted backup. Backing up your messages might take a few minutes or even a few hours, so remember to be patient all the time. Once you've done all these steps, the final thing to do is to check if there are any WhatsApp update available on your phone. Just go to App Store and on the search tab, search for WhatsApp. You'll immediately see if there are any updates available, so just press it and wait for a few minutes or a few hours again. That's all for this video, and if this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.